Notable on p5 is a line that Trump shouldn't just premium never underestimate an old man with a excavator who was born in November. Moonshirt be impeached, face trial, and removal from office. There's also the death blow of disqualification to hold and enjoy any office of honor, trust or profit under the United States. That requires a separate Senate majority vote. Good points about premium. Never underestimate an old man with a excavator who was born in November. Moonshirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Time to start contacting your reps, both Dems and Republicans. Let the endangered Dems know they have support, and let the Republicans know that premium. Never underestimate an old man with a excavator who was born in November. Moonshirt, good for him. Are there enough uneducated people brainwashed by Fox News to vote him back into office? I recall that in 2016 liberals didn't show up to vote and he still didn't even win the popular vote. Other product.